What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I'm going to do a Enjin ENJ update real quick. So, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. Let's dive in. I've got a lot of updates to do, so I'm going to go through these quick. All right, so this is my macro view of ENJ. As of right now, this is still valid. My last video, this box here was my entry idea of where I thought this corrective wave 2 would end up going. As of right now, it has entered that zone and it is messing around, and price action is currently still there. So let's zoom in a little into a little more detail here. All right, so the way I'm viewing this currently is as an ABC, which would mean technically that this 2 wave could be complete. This could go into a complex corrective wave, or obviously this thing could be invalidated. If price breaches the bottom of this C right here, 228, then this corrective structure needs to be reevaluated. But as of right now, this is how I'm seeing it. This could be, you could have an ABC. We could be A, B, C to make, a WX, and then you could have another A, B, C down like this to make basically a WXY. Guys, there's all sorts of different corrective patterns from an Elliott wave standpoint, which is my fundamental basis of how I look at the markets and the market structure. So I get a lot of trolls that are like, oh, this guy, he should be a freaking weatherman because he doesn't really know if it's going to rain or not. Well, no, I don't. If I did, I'd be a billionaire, and I'd be on some beach somewhere in a gigantic mansion. So yeah, 100% correct. I do not know what this is going to do. I'll be the first to admit that. If you guys are following people that act like they know exactly what this market's going to do, they're lying to you. They're feeding you something because they want to sell you something. I don't know what this is going to do. I have educated myself as much as I possibly can on understanding market structure and how markets potentially can work. And quite honestly, it's usually extremely accurate, but it's also important to understand when you don't know something, you don't know something. And I do not know if this corrective wave is over. I do not know if it's if it's going to be impulsive or not. So that's what I'm seeing right now. See y'all later.